Now next topic is modifying a table. How can we modify and we can do changes in our table? Okay, this is your table. After making this table, if you want to make any changes, after entering data in a table, you can make changes in the data as needed. You can insert rows, columns and cells in a table to accommodate new content. Similarly, you can delete unwanted rows, columns or cells from a table. If you want to delete any column, any cell, so you can delete. First, how can we insert column and rows in between the columns and rows? Okay, while creating and making entry in a table, you might need to add columns or rows in between. Okay, Word provides the facility to add new columns to the right or left of any existing columns and insert rows above or below the existing rows. For this, you have to add a column. Click on the top border of the column adjacent you want to insert. Then click on Layout tab. This is the Layout tab. In Table Tools tab, then click either on the Insert Left or Insert Right. If you want to insert the select to the left side of the selected column, so click on Insert Left. If you want to insert column to the right of the selected column, so you can click on Insert Right button in the rows and columns group. These are the two buttons. An empty column insert in a table as per the chosen option. Similarly, click either on the Insert Above or Insert Below buttons in the rows and column group on the Layout tab to insert a new row. To insert number of rows, if you want to insert maximum number of rows, to select the row above or below which you want to add rows. Then right click on the selected row. Okay. Then select the Insert and Insert Row Above option. Likewise, you can insert rows below option. Okay, like this you can insert row below of the selected row. To select an entire table, click anywhere inside the table and press Alt F key. Alt plus F key on the numeric pad. Now next option is how can we delete rows and columns. Okay, in earlier topic we have discussed about inserting rows and columns in between. Now if you want to delete any row and column from the between, there is a steps for this. First, select the row or column that you want to delete and click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Now select the Delete option over here, rows and column group. A list of options appears like this. Choose the Delete Rows or Delete Columns option from the drop down menu. If you want to delete row, then select Delete Rows option. If you want to delete column, then select the Delete Columns option. Now next, right click on the selected row and column that you wish to delete. From here also you can, this is another way to delete any row and column also. Delete column option from the shortcut menu. You can delete the column and row easily. Now next, there is one Know the Fact. Press Shift plus Delete key combination to delete the selected row or column from the table. This is another way also from the keyboard shortcut. Now next option is formatting a table. Okay, how can we format our table and we can make changes, different changes in a table. Formatting controls over appearance of a table. After creating a table, you can format the entire table by using the Table Styles features. Okay, click on the table that you want to format. This is your table. Then click on Table Tools Contextual tab and Design tab. You can see different design, different styles over here. Table Style group is shown in the figure. Select any style. You can see the changes. Now, Table Styles is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, colors, borders of a table. Select the table and click on the Design tab. Now click on More buttons in the Table Style group and select any styles from the displayed gallery. Like this, you can make changes in the table. Now next option is changing column width. Okay, there is default column width and rows are coming here. If you want to change, if you want to increase the width or if you want to decrease the width of the cells, so how can we change? You can resize the column width either by using the options available on the layout tab by using the mouse pointer. First select the column whose width you want to change, then click on the layout tab and select the properties button in the table group. Now you can see here the properties of the table over here. Table properties dialog box appear as shown in the figure. First click on the column button if you want to change the width of the column, then select the preferred width checkbox. This is the preferred width checkbox. From here you can change the width of the column. Now increase or decrease buttons you can see either by using the spin arrows or type in the specified value to set the width. Then click on OK. Now you can see the width. You can change the row height by selecting row and table properties dialog box. Okay, of column we can change the width and of row we can change the height. So for changing the row height, similarly you can change the row height, then you can click the row button, specify the row height over here in the table properties button, increase and decrease spinners also here, then click on OK. You can see this selected row will be height will be changed. Selected row's height will be changed. Now you can also change the width of the column another way using the width spin box present in the cell size group on the layout tab. This is the layout tab cell size group. Now there is one know the fact the column width and row height can be quickly changed by placing the mouse pointer on the column border or row border. Dragging a double-headed arrow over here, you can drag right or left to increase or decrease the column width and up and arrow to increase or decrease the for row height. This is also the another easy way for that. Okay children, now we have done page number 20, 21 and 22. Then next splitting cells option we will do in our next class. Now please watch this video carefully again and again and do practical at your home. Okay, open MS Word in your laptop or on your computer and try to make one table and follow all the steps whatever I have tell you, and with the book also, and with the help of book and with the help of this video you can easily make the table and try to change all the options: deleting row, column width, changing column width, inserting rows and column. Okay, all the options, try it and do different formatting on the table. Okay, so this is all for today's class and I will give you some homework for today. So open your book, page number 26 for exercises.